Today we're going to be installing a MAXPower PRO module on this 2019 Jaguar F-Type S. Now for your A plug, you can access the boost pressure sensor right here on the back of the motor. We're going to go ahead and take that loose. Make sure the ramp side is up. And then go ahead and reconnect this one back into the pressure sensor. And now for your B wire, your manifold pressure sensor is going to be right here. You're going to go ahead and pull up on the front of this connector and it slides right off. You can go ahead and connect this to the B plug. Now we're going to do our C plug, which is our cam position sensor. And that guy's going to be right underneath your oil fill. Squeeze on down in there. Now you can take this and connect it back to your cam position sensor. And now to get to your fuel pressure sender, you're going to want to take this loose and pull this foam cover back, and it'll be right down in this crevice for your D sensor. Clip in this fuel rail sensor. Now you can take this other connector and plug it back into the fuel pressure sensor. And lastly, for our power to the MAXPower, we're going to tap into this fuse box right here. Go ahead and pull this cover back. You can pop these loose. So for this application, we've chosen a fuse tap, and it's going to piggyback off of an existing fuse. I'm just going to put it right here. Make sure to notch your fuse box, and she's ready to go. Once you've started the car with the bypass plug plugged in, you can go ahead and plug in your MAXPower PRO module and take the car for a test drive. Once you're out on the road, go ahead and get your car into boost 3 times to bypass the safety warm-up timer and to make sure that your car's module is acting properly. And that's how you install a MAXPower PRO module on a 3-liter supercharged V6 in the Jaguar F-Type S. If you have any questions, give us a call or visit our website. And as always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.